Less than 5 minutes. Let me show you how you can make this Ayurvedic hair growth oil for your hair using just 2 powerful ingredients. So you don't need much ingredients. So without any further delay, let's just get straight to today's video. So the first ingredient we'll be needing is aloe vera. We will be using fresh aloe vera. If you have the aloe vera powder, you can go ahead and use it. But for today's recipe, we are using fresh aloe vera. So you can just get the number of aloe vera you want. It all depends on the quantity of the oil that you'll be using. So for me, I'll be making use of 3 aloe vera. Okay, so earlier I got 2, but I decided to add 1 again. Okay, so this is the aloe vera we'll be using. So if you don't know how to prepare your aloe vera, you can just go ahead and watch my video. I have a video where I taught how to prepare your aloe vera before use. Okay, so we don't just use our aloe vera immediately after we get them from the aloe vera plant. We make sure we prepare it very well before using it. If you don't prepare it well, it will cause itchiness when you use it. So you want to make sure that you prepare it well. So if you have not watched the video on how to do that, make sure you go and watch the video, or I'll just drop the link in the description box so that you can just go ahead and watch it. Okay, so the next thing we'll be doing is slicing this aloe vera into very tiny parts, right? Or what will I call it? Yeah, so this is how we want our aloe vera to be. Okay, so aloe vera has a lot of benefit. It is very rich. Okay, so aloe vera helps to promote healthy scalp. Aloe vera has an antibacterial property that helps to prevent dandruff. Aloe vera helps in moisture retention. It attracts and retains moisture from the air, hence used as a natural conditioner. Aloe vera also increases blood flow, which means nutrients are supplied to the scalp, promoting healthier hair growth. The next ingredient we'll be using is olive oil. Okay, I'm just making use of what is available at the moment. You can use either coconut oil, any carrier oil of your choice. So after that, we're going to pour in our aloe vera into this container. Not just any container, a container that can stand heat. I added chebe powder and I also added moringa powder to it. Instead of boiling it directly on the fire, we'll be using a double boiling method to get the nutrients to the oil. Okay, chebe powder has a lot of benefits for the hair. It helps to strengthen the hair strands. It helps to reduce breakage and split end. It locks in moisture. It promotes hair thickness and it makes your hair fuller and it gives it that denser look. It reduces shedding also. It keeps your hair stronger and healthier every time. Moringa is rich in zinc and iron, and it helps to it makes the hair healthy also. It strengthens the hair strands, prevents breakage, and yeah, it suits the scalp also, and also adds shine to the hair. The next thing to do is to sieve it, and then I just added my peppermint oil. So yeah, you can add peppermint essential oil or any essential oil of your choice. You can also add vitamin E oil. Okay, so that's basically it. I shake everything and yeah, our oil is ready for use. Okay, so you can use it on your hair. You make sure you spray your hair with water on your scalp before you apply it. Use this oil 2 to 3 times in a week. Oil it and oil your scalp and massage it, and you will definitely see result over time. And I could not show you guys the process on how I apply it on my hair, but I'll try and do that on my next video. So I don't want this video to be too long, that's why I'm leaving it this way. So in my next video, I will show you the process of how to apply it on your hair. Okay, or how I apply it on my hair rather. So you guys, thank you for watching. Don't mind my voice, I'm down with cold. That's why my voice is like this. So thank you guys for watching. Do well to like, share, subscribe, and I'll see you in my next video. Okay, bye bye.
We were sparks on quiet streets, 2 hearts finding where to meet. But life pulled us apart, left me talking to the dark.